Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so I have some advices to share with you para inamahan nga tambag sa puro mangita mga siman ako sa akong pangidaron ta sa mga eksperyensya. So I will share with you some advices. So number 1, keep yourself healthy. Kailangan atong health mo gini atong number 1 gid nga importante kaya being a seaman. Kaya kahit ikaw pa ang pinakamagaling na kapitan, ikaw ang pinakamagaling na chief engineer, kapag nagka-wheelchair ka na, sino po bang pasagay sa iyo? Di ba? So, number 2, save. Dapat mag-ipon kayo. Every dollar that you earn, tigop, save. Then, number 3, kapag may na-save na kayo, invest. May tama ka ng naipon, invest. Buy properties. And number 1 investment is lupa. Yung lupa, bibilhin mo ngayon after 5 years, 10 years, times 10, times 5. So the best investment for me is lupa and properties. Then, number 4, never gamble. Yan ang nagkakwentuhan kami ni Chief Engineer. I am a gambler since I was young. Kaya alam ko ang sugal wala talagang maganda resulta. So kayo mga bata pa na hindi pa natutong magsugal, huwag kayo magsugal. Pero yung mga sugal lang gaya ko, just limit, minimize it. Pero kayo, yung mga bata pa na hindi pa nagsugal, huwag kayo matutong magsugal. Dapat hindi mo makatong magsugal. And the last but not the least, pray. Dapat magdasal. Every day I am praying the Holy Rosary. So anybody, may kasama yung mag-rosaryo dire? Anybody? No. So very good. There are so many of you. So at least the number 5 reminders for me, dapat magdasal. Iba talaga sir ang magdasal. If we are praying the Holy Rosary every day, parang, lalo na kapag sa umaga ka magdasal. When I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, yan ang unang gagawin. After brushing my teeth, upo, then dasal. Then, for me, parang magaan ang loob mo kapag nakapagdasal ka na sa umaga. So, that's all guys, as a fatherly advice for you. Okay? Cheers!
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 Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers!